So these Trinity Basics shelves that you see here is an incredibly great product. If you're looking for a storage solution, particularly one that's on wheels that you can move around and reorganize, these are easy and quick to build and extremely strong. They are NSF certified, which means that they're food safe. In fact, we had these in a commercial kitchen business in Austin, Texas. And then we moved to Georgia and we literally slid these up on the back of a U-Haul. And when we got here, we slid them down. And these things are just as strong as they were the first day we assembled them. We have various arrangements, different heights. Sometimes we need more storage at the top and we didn't put a top shelf on for that reason. Here's another set. And because they're on wheels, they're really easy to move around. We have reconfigured this particular arrangement several times. Those wheels are actually locked in. So they're extremely versatile and very, very strong. The weight that they can carry between 600 pounds or 2,250 pounds, it's just an amazing product. I just love these shelves and I'm sure you will too. These are highly recommended.